Hey girl, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Azja. So yeah, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we be lit over here, okay? So anyways, today is November, what's the day, girl? Because I be lost and confused. Okay, it's November 15th. I'm actually on my way to get my nails done. I'm trying out a new nail tech today. And this is going to be my first time doing Gel X nails. So I'm going to go see her. She does amazing work. So I'm actually really excited. She is a little bit of ways away from me. So I'm on my way to her right now. I should make it there on time, but yeah, anyways, I don't know if this is going to end up being some like maintenance vlog or something. I am going home for Thanksgiving. I'm really excited, you guys. I haven't seen my family in almost 3 years, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm just kind of like preparing. I'm getting my nails done in the midst of me trying to prepare for this trip. I'm still cranking out my school work and assignments, and also working at the salon. So girl, life been lifing, okay? But it's okay because I'm excited. But yeah, so we're gonna go get our nails done today, and I have to go to the salon today as well. And then I also have to go meet up with my biology lab group so we can finish this project that we're working on. So your girl's gonna be busy today, okay? And then on Sunday I'm gonna be doing another quick weave. So girl, I'm busy. I don't even know what was the last thing I talked to y'all about. I think I was talking to y'all about how school is kicking my ass. Okay, but we are rolling with the punches, okay? But yeah, everything's going well. I'm in high spirits. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I am in very much high spirits. So yes, it's a beautiful day today. Today is a Wednesday. I'm vlogging off my phone right now because y'all, I'm backed up on content once again. I feel like this is never gonna be, that's gonna be my story all the time. So I don't have any room on my card, on my my card. So I'm vlogging on my phone until I'm able to find some space. But that's okay too. You gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, I'm gonna jam out, listen to my music. Okay guys, so I made it to my nail appointment and I'm here with Kaylee. So she's gonna be doing my nails today. This is my first time getting Gel X, but her work is amazing. So I want y'all to check her out, especially if you're in the Arlington area. And I'll make sure I put like all of her information right here somewhere, as well as like her Instagram page. So yeah.
Polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Look back and shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body be the color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a wreck, so that nigga feel stupid.
My nails look so good. Like, literally 8 down. Do y'all see the shape? Don't look at my hands because they dry and ashy, but my nails look so freaking good. She really ate. So I definitely will be back to see her again. I'm so happy I found her. Make sure you guys follow her on Instagram. Make sure you follow Kaylee on Instagram. And definitely, if you're in Dallas, specifically the Arlington location. Or if you just want to come see her, yeah, make sure you make an appointment with her, because she really ate. They look so good. So she probably will be my new nail tech now for Gel X.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna keep it real. How you make me feel, boy, you give me chills, baby. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild whenever you're around. You know how I do, and you know how I flow. And I get your name and number, 'cause I like your stilo. And I dig the way you move and the way you do your thing. Baby, you can bring it on, you can swing it this way. Boy, it's something about you.
Period. And that's how you clear a room, baby. Hey girl, so it is currently, was it 4? Girl, it's 4:53 in the morning, and we about to get to packing. So girl, I'm running off of 3 hours of sleep. I guess that's like my life at this point. You get a good 3 hours and that's it, okay? So I'm about to pack. I got up at like 3:30 because I needed to do like my shower care routine and all that. So I am now fully exfoliated and fully hairless, okay? So anyways, I'm about to get packing because I do still have to go to class this morning before I can go to like get on my flight and stuff and actually like relax. So we're not done standing on business, okay? I still have to go to school, and then we can partake in some, you know, rest time. But yeah, I'm about to just pack. It's not gonna be like a little pack with me because y'all don't really need to know what I'm bringing. I'm just going home, y'all. It's a really like relaxed, have fun, go chill with the family type of thing. So y'all can watch me pack, but it's not gonna be no like pack with me and y'all need to know everything that I'm bringing because it ain't even that deep, okay? Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm done packing and it's currently 6:54, which is perfect because I need to be leaving here soon to go to class. So I just weighed my bag. It's only 44 pounds. Well, that's what my scale said. So I think I did really good. I think what I'm gonna do, since you do get one carry-on bag. I think I'm gonna just pack my school bag with me, because I need to bring like my laptop and stuff anyways, and I think I still have like some assignments that I'm gonna probably be working on during my little rest break or whatever. So I think I am gonna just go ahead and pack like my backpack as like a carry-on. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. But yeah, girl, we packed. We are ready to head home. I'm really excited.
We are due for an on-time departure. We're happy to announce if you are traveling with us, so we do want to thank you in advance for traveling and choosing Delta as your airline of travel. We wish you safe travels wherever your journey may take you, but we do ask that you pay attention to the announcements. We're happy to share we're expecting an on-time departure here today at 3:48 p.m. You'll be in flight for 2 hours, 29 minutes, arriving in Detroit at 7:17 p.m.
Okay, so I'm in Detroit. Just have one more flight until I get home. I have a nice amount of time to be able to stop and get some food because I'm starving. And I really wanted a hamburger. So I just found this place called, it's called Mediterranean. And their menu looks really good. But I just went ahead and got a hamburger and some fries and some water because I'm so thirsty. Jesus.
Hot in here, or is it just me?